morning, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday morning. Alright, so let's see if we could get today's started. Get my hot water going as usual. Let's take a look outside, guys. So, hold on, let me turn this computer on so it could. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning, guys. Yesterday was a productive day. I got quite a bit of stuff done. As you could tell when I dropped yesterday's video, I ended up taking those fryers. I didn't record it. I was talking to the owner of the restaurant a little bit, but for some reason I did not record me loading the truck and taking the stuff out. I could show you the fryers, but I didn't get any footage. I was there loading it, doing all sorts of stuff, so completely forgot, or not forget, but I was talking to the owner. I didn't want to record our conversations and stuff like that. Maybe I should start recording, but we were there talking about restaurant stuff, like recipes and what he's doing, stuff like that. So I didn't, I don't want to put other people's business out. So while we loaded the truck, we were pretty much right by the truck at the back discussing those things. So it would be, I wouldn't want to record that, bottom line. But when we finished talking, I didn't get any pictures of me loading it. But I had pictures when I was in the van, videos of me driving with it in the back. So, real cool guy. As I said, he was, very informative. He gave me some links on some things. But yeah, let's get out of this. Let's go to YouTube. See what's up with YouTube. So I'm a couple days behind, guys. In terms of videos, it's not Wednesday, and I did not post Monday yet. I'm still editing Monday, and I'm also still editing. I have yesterday's video. It's Wednesday, so I have Monday and Tuesday video to edit. Did not do that yet. So bear with me. I'm gonna try and get that done today or maybe tonight. So I have a few things to fill out for the health department, and then I'm gonna submit that tomorrow, Thursday. They're not there today. The inspectors go out on the road on a Wednesday, so they don't do planned intake today. So I'm gonna get that done tomorrow. Today is gonna be an easy day for me. I'm just gonna go by the salon, check out that real quick. I have to take my daughter to a soccer camp this evening, so I'm gonna take her this evening to that. And then today I'll just probably do some testing on some more chicken. Just I have it already seasoned. I'm gonna do some fried chicken today and test that out. But other than that, it's a pretty easy day today. I'm gonna be searching for some more equipment. If I have time, I'll swing by the restaurant store, see what they got, if they have anything I might be needing. I do have to talk to the plumber. He sent me an invoice, a quote, but I need for him to add something to that. So I'll get in contact with him today. See if we could. Hold on, guys. Let me put you over here. I'll fix this. There's a chair. Let's go over here. Good thing it didn't rain, guys. If it had rain, this chair would have been wet. But yeah. Oh yeah, guys. It's a beautiful day here. It's early morning. Birds are chirping. Sun is out, coming out. It's nice and quiet, peaceful back here. That's what I like back here. It's always nice and calming, You could relax. And today is not garbage day. You gotta put the garbage out on Thursdays. But yeah, it's nice and cool back here. Lawn need cutting again. I'm gonna cut it maybe tomorrow or Friday. I'll cut it over the weekend. But yeah, everything is good. As I said, today's a slow day. I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna start editing, and then I'm gonna swing by the salon real quick, check on that. I haven't gone there this morning, so early. And normally I go earlier than this and check on it. So I'll probably just go there first and then come back and do some editing. I know I have to take my daughter to the soccer camp, but that will be later on this evening. I don't think it's early today. I'm gonna text her in a minute, ask her. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me get to it. Let me get my hot water and let's get to this day. Let's start this day. Guys, we'll make a little lunch in the day. Yeah? We'll make some plantain and a piece of salmon, ground food, maybe I could do a potato too. No, so I will do the plantain with a piece of salmon today and some tea. That's for lunch. Alright guys, so today is a slow day vlogging. I did not do much vlogging today, guys. I got up this morning, started doing editing. I just left the salon a while ago, just got out. It's evening time. It's almost 4:47. So this vlog today is gonna be a short one. I got up this morning. I was doing editing all morning. Made some lunch at the house. More editing. Doing some research, see if I could find equipment online, just searching Facebook Marketplace, used equipment, new equipment. Made a couple calls pertaining to the restaurant build, but it was just nothing to vlog pretty much. I was just there working on the computer all day pretty much. It's just gonna be a slow day today because now I came to the salon, clean up real quick. It wasn't that bad. It's just hair all over the floors, but I vacuumed that real quick, and then I just left the salon. The salon is right here. Just left, so I'm heading to get my daughter. I have to take her to that soccer camp thing, so I'm gonna pick her up and stay with her at the soccer camp. So my day won't be ending till probably about 9 o'clock tonight. The soccer camp is at 6. It's now 5, so I gotta go get her, go to the soccer camp. It's 6:30, so by the time the 2 hours, by the time I get home, it's gonna be 9 o'clock. So today is a slow, guys. Today is still a beautiful day. It's nice. It's not too hot today. Sun is still out. Beautiful day. So now I'm just gonna go get her, spend the rest of the evening with her, and then come back up. They're painting under the bridge, guys. They're doing a mural under the bridge. See, this side hasn't been painted yet, but that side, nice, uplift thing, makes it look good. It's not like graffiti, it's more like themed. I don't know what that is, but yeah, guys. So I'm heading to get my daughter and spend the evening. I might not do anything else for the rest of the day in terms of vlogging, because there's nothing else really. I'm just here driving. Unless I see something interesting, I'll vlog it, but that's about it. I'm gonna check in back later on, or maybe not. Maybe I'm closing this vlog out right here. We'll see. Today's vlog is probably gonna be maybe like a 10-minute vlog. As I said, I was just there all day doing, computer stuff. I'm repeating myself. I'll check in later.